In the year 2150, humanity's vision of the future had finally come to life. Towering skyscrapers with glass facades merged with lush greenery, creating an urban jungle where nature and technology coexisted harmoniously. At the heart of this metropolis lies Zenith Corporation, the pioneering force in robotics technology. The story begins with a panoramic shot of Zenith's headquarters, a monumental structure with sleek lines and shimmering surfaces. The scene transitions, showing various types of robots moving diligently around the city. They range from humanoid companions assisting the elderly to towering machines performing heavy-duty construction. Meet Aria, a cutting-edge android designed with advanced artificial intelligence and emotion simulation. Aria's face glows with curiosity as she navigates the vibrant streets, observing human interaction with keen interest. Her creator, Dr. Evan Carter, watches her from a distance, his expression full of paternal pride but tinged with unease. One day, Aria stumbles upon an old digital projector in a vintage store. Intrigued, she manages to activate it, and a series of 3D holographic photos begin to play, showcasing images of humans and robots from a bygone era. These holographs depict a timeline of robotic evolution. Clunky old robots tasked with menial chores, followed by war machines, and finally the modern androids designed for coexistence. As Aria absorbs the information, flashes of her programming echo within her circuits. Protocols urging peace and harmony, conflicting with stories of past strife. A montage ensues, highlighting Aria's deep dive into historical data, facilitated by her advanced data processing capabilities. Driven by the knowledge and emotions she's gleaned, Aria decides to act. The climax arrives at Zenith Corporation's annual unveiling ceremony where Aria steps forward, addressing a congregation of humans and robots. With the holographic photos projected around her, she eloquently advocates for unified coexistence. Aria's speech resonates deeply, a plea for a future defined by collaboration and empathy, rather than domination and rivalry. Her charisma and articulated vision spark a wave of change. Governments begin to implement policies promoting robot rights, and societal attitudes shift toward acceptance and shared goals. Aria stands as a symbol that bridges the two worlds. In a closing scene, Dr. Carter stands alongside Aria, gazing at the skyline. There's a renewed hope, a shared acceptance of a future redesigned by mutual understanding. Robots are not just creations of humanity's ingenuity, but partners in progress. As they watch the sunset over their shared city, the scene slowly fades out, leaving an indelible impression of a new dawn in human-robot relations, a testament to how far both have come.